Okay, good morning everyone. Today our lesson is all about ways or techniques of separating mixtures. But before that, let us have first a short review about our previous lesson. So our previous lesson was about mixture. And what is mixture? Okay, so a mixture is a combination of two or more substances that are not chemically combined. The substances are put together, but no new substance is formed. And what are the types of mixtures? Mixtures can be homogeneous or heterogeneous. A mixture is homogeneous or uniform mixture when the materials in the mixture cannot be recognized from one another. Particle is spread evenly and it exhibits single phase. While a mixture is heterogeneous or non-uniform mixtures when you're able to identify the different components that were mixed because they were not evenly distributed in the mixture. The components retain their own characteristics and it exhibits two or more phases. Now let us learn what are the different ways or techniques of separating mixtures, part 1. Okay, first, method or techniques of separating mixture is picking or manual separation or physical manipulation. So what is physical manipulation? So physical manipulation is a technique used in separating the solid components of a heterogeneous mixtures. The components of the mixture should be big enough to be seen and picked up by our hands or forceps. So for example, if you want to separate the components of these mixtures, you can just easily use your hands to pick up all the components and separate them. Okay, next method is sieving. So sieving involves using a strainer or a big screen to separate the components of solid mixtures. The strainer allows only the fine particles through it and prevents the larger ones. Mixtures with big and fine components can be separated by sieving. So for example, if you want to separate the components of a flour, you can use the method or the way or the technique known as sieving. Some construction workers also use sieving in separating the components of sand. Next, number 3 is decantation. And what is decantation? So decantation is a technique used in separating a less dense substance from a denser one. Mixture is left undisturbed. When the components are separated, the less dense substance could be removed by scooping using a spoon, or it can be removed by slowly pouring out the less dense substance. So for example, if you want to separate the components of your mixtures such as sand and water, so you can use decantation. Or if you want to separate the mixture of oil and water, you can also use the method or the technique known as decantation. Next, number 4 is filtration. So what is filtration? So filtration is a technique in which an insoluble solid is separated from a liquid. It uses a filter-like mesh cloth or a filter paper to separate solid components from a liquid. So for example, if you want to separate soil and water mixture so that you can get a clean water, so you can use the method of filtration. Okay, next time we're going to study other ways of separating mixtures. So in our next video. Thank you very much and have a good day, everyone.